If Microsoft Store is not working on Windows 11, here are several fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Try opening a website to confirm your connection is working properly. Next, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store Apps and click Run. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. Another quick fix is resetting the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type reset.exe, and press Enter. This clears the store cache without deleting your apps or data. You can also repair or reset Microsoft Store manually. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and find Microsoft Store. Tap the three dots beside it, choose Advanced Options, and scroll down to the Reset section. First try Repair. If that doesn't work, select Reset. You should also check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, open Windows Update, and install any available updates. Restart your computer afterward if required. Finally, if the issue still continues, you can re-register Microsoft Store using Windows Terminal with administrator access and running the appropriate PowerShell command. One of these methods should help get Microsoft Store working again on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.